gentlemen, good evening. If you thought the Christmas spirit would shield us from a political showdown today, well, what can we say? We weren't that lucky. The national capital, which is just a month or so away from elections, is seeing a full-blown Christmas clash. Now, it started with a notice this morning in the morning newspapers that stunned many people. The Delhi government's own bureaucrats from the Health and Women and Child Department disowned the flagship schemes that have just been announced by the Delhi government. If you remember, just days ago, Arvind Kejriwal has announced two major election SOPs. First is the Sanjeevani Yojana for senior citizens who can get free treatment irrespective of their economic status anywhere, in government or in private hospitals. And the other is the Mahila Samman Yojana, which is offering 2,100 rupees monthly to women in Delhi. Both of these schemes, the Aam Aadmi Party has already clarified, kick in once the elections are over and the Aam Aadmi Party forms a government again. But today, both the Health Department and the Women and Child Development Department have issued newspaper notices saying that these two schemes are non-existent and misleading. It doesn't stop there. The notices go on to warn citizens not to share their data, like their Aadhaar cards, etc., with quote-unquote unauthorized personnel who could misuse their data later. Ladies and gentlemen, as they say, the ishara is towards Arvind Kejriwal, who had started the registration drive for these two schemes. Now, AAP called it an initiative of the BJP and LG's Dirty Tricks Department. Listen in.
कल शाम तक, कल रात तक लगभग 12.5 लाख महिला सम्मान योजना में रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुके थे और 1.5-2 लाख बुजुर्गों के रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुके थे। इस सब से बीजेपी बुरी तरह से बौखला गई है और अभी 3 या 4 दिन पहले हमें अपने सूत्रों से पता चला है कि ईडी, सीबीआई और इनकम टैक्स तीनों एजेंसीज की मीटिंग हुई है और उस मीटिंग में ऊपर से आदेश आए हैं कि कुछ भी फर्जी केस करके दिल्ली की सीएम आतिशी जी को गिरफ्तार किया जाए। ये मैं पूरी जिम्मेदारी के साथ आज बहुत बड़ा आरोप लगा रहा हूं कि इन तीनों एजेंसीज को ऊपर से कहा गया है कि दिल्ली की सीएम आतिशी जी को कोई भी फर्जी केस बनाकर गिरफ्तार किया जाए।
जो नोटिस आज अखबारों में जारी हुए हैं वो पूरे तरह से गलत हैं, झूठे हैं और कुछ अफसरों पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दबाव बनाकर ये गलत सूचना अखबार में छपवाई है। इन अफसरों के खिलाफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कार्रवाई तो होगी ही, इन अफसरों ने जो ये गलत सूचना अखबार में छापी है इनके खिलाफ पुलिस कार्रवाई भी की जाएगी।
Ladies and gentlemen, the BJP has shown us how a SOP aimed at women can win elections. We've seen it in Maharashtra, and the Aam Aadmi Party is simply taking a cue from them. So far, over 13 lakh women and 1.5 lakh senior citizens have already registered for the two schemes, a clear indication that it has found resonance amongst voters. My colleague Pulkit was at a registration camp. This is the report he gets us.
पड़पड़गंज विधानसभा की तस्वीर है जहां बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हुए रजिस्ट्रेशन कर रहे हैं और ये कार्ड है। ये कार्ड आप देखेंगे कि हर महिला को हर महीने 2100 रुपए, भाई हो तो ऐसा केजरीवाल जैसा। और ये महिला सम्मान योजना, दो योजनाएं जो चालू की गई हैं, महिला सम्मान योजना और संजीवनी योजना, ये दो रजिस्ट्रेशन यहाँ पर लोग कर रहे हैं। ये देखिए, आप ये दूसरा कार्ड है, इसी को लेकर आज विज्ञापन भी अखबारों में आया है। यह है संजीवनी योजना केजरीवाल कवच कार्ड, ये नाम दिया गया है बुजुर्गों की सेवा और सम्मान।
But here's the thing. This is election season and the opposition BJP and even frenemy Congress have gone for the jugular, mocking the Aam Aadmi Party for what they call a tradition of looting people.
ये योजना दिल्ली की सरकार ने, दिल्ली की सरकार का विज्ञापन है और दिल्ली के ही अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार है और वही ये कह रहे हैं कि ये योजना हम लेकर आना चाहते हैं। अगर उन्हीं की सरकार, उन्हीं की मुख्यमंत्री ये विज्ञापन निकाल रही है कि 2100 रुपए की योजना और संजीवनी योजना फर्जीवाड़ा है, दिल्ली की जनता इस धोखे में ना रहे, तो सीधा सीधा अरविंद केजरीवाल की कलई खोलता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल सिर्फ झूठ बोलने के माहिर हैं, झूठा प्रचार करते हैं और दिल्ली की जनता को जैसे 10 साल ठगा है, अब जाते जाते भी ठगना चाहते हैं। ये डाटा इकट्ठा करके आपको लूटने का काम करेंगे, आपको ठगने का काम करेंगे। जैसे रोज हम साइबर क्राइम की बातें सुनते हैं, ये अरविंद केजरीवाल उसी दिशा में जा रहे हैं।
दिल्ली के अंदर केजरीवाल को अगर सही मायने में एक शब्द से उसको डिस्क्राइब करना हो तो उसको जिस शब्द से डिस्क्राइब किया जा सकता है वो है फर्जीवाल। क्योंकि अगर कोई फर्जीवाड़े का राजा है पूरे देश के अंदर तो वो फर्जीवाल केजरीवाल। मौका मौका, हर बार धोखा।
Now, as the Aam Aadmi Party mounts its charge against the BJP-appointed Babus, discrediting their schemes in this morning's newspaper, the BJP's potential chief ministerial face, Parvesh Verma, has landed himself in a soup over his own version of the Ladki Behan Yojana. A former BJP MP, Verma has been distributing 1100 rupees to women in New Delhi, which is a constituency from where Arvind Kejriwal fights, which is a constituency from where Mr. Verma may be given a ticket by the BJP. Now, Aam is calling this, the Aam Aadmi Party is calling this a cash from vote scam. And they say women were called to the BJP leader's residence and given cash in packets. However, Parvesh Verma has rejected the allegations, saying he was just helping out the poor women of New Delhi who have been ignored by their MLA Arvind Kejriwal. He also says he is using his own hard-earned funds to finance his goodwill gesture on Christmas.
आज मुझे खुशी है कि मैं मेरी गरीब माताओं बहनों की सहायता कर रहा हूं। मैं शराब नहीं बांट रहा, ना मैं अपना शीश महल बना रहा हूं। मैं मेरे घर के पैसे, मेरे अकाउंट के पैसे, मेरी संस्था के पैसे, वो सारे अकाउंटेड पैसों से ही मैं यहाँ की माताओं बहनों की मदद कर रहा हूं। और मैं सारी माताओं बहनों को कहना चाहता हूं नई दिल्ली विधानसभा की कि चाहे केजरीवाल जी जितना मर्जी चिल्ला लें, जो मर्जी शोर मचा लें, मगर मैं अभी रुकने वाला नहीं हूं। जो भी महिला बहन मेरे घर पर आएगी वो मेरे दरवाजे से निराश होकर नहीं लौटेगी।
जहां से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चुनाव लड़ते हैं, जहां से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी विधायक हैं, वहां पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी पब्लिक को, लोगों को, वोटर्स को उनके वोटर कार्ड देख देख कर पैसे बांट रही है। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रवेश वर्मा जी रंगे हाथों पैसे बांटते हुए पकड़े गए।
Ladies and gentlemen, one thing is clear. This may be the Christmas clash, the Christmas edition, but these pre-poll bouts, as it were, between the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP and the Congress will continue for the next month and a half. We should all be prepared for it, Christmas or not. My guest this evening, Siddharth Sharma, is spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep Mahor, leader of the BJP, Hari Shankar Gupta ji, spokesperson of the Congress Party, and Umesh Sehgal is a former Chief Secretary of Delhi, joining us on the broadcast as well. Gentlemen, good evening. Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you very much for joining us on what is a holiday for most people, not for us, of course. Umesh Sehgal ji, in one word, when I read the newspapers this morning and saw the notice, the one word that came to my mind was Adbhut. Is this unprecedented, where a government's own Babu, a joint director level officer, will issue notices in newspapers dissing the government's own schemes and essentially calling them fraud? I don't think I've ever seen it happen, not in my journalistic career.
Well, these are not government schemes. These are assurances made by a political party. If these were government schemes, then I would definitely say that these officers have done the wrong thing. They should in fact publicize those schemes. What has happened here is an assurance given by a political party that a certain thing will happen after the elections if they win. Now, this is not the same thing. In fact, because this assurance has been given by the ruling party, and it is also registering people for the same, it could fool some people. It could fool some people that, okay, this is a registration taking place and we'll get the money. We'll get the money or we'll get the favor very soon. Surely we will get it. So they may give their Aadhaar card, they may give their voter's ID card, they may give some other private information to the people, so-called people who are registering. Now, registration is done when you do the census. That's done under law. You can't just register people on their own. You can't have a soap company going around from house to house collecting data like this. If they do that, they have to clearly say that we are doing it in behalf of the Lux soap or X soap or Y soap. Here, if they say we are doing it on behalf of the Aam Aadmi Party and not on behalf of government, and these schemes may or may not be approved, it would be different. So I think these officers are totally justified in issuing such an, in fact, I'm surprised that they have done a thing like this, because generally the people are afraid. Bureaucrats are considered to be meek people. Now here, some boldness has been shown by some officers. We can't abuse them for that. We should thank them for that. And I, as a public citizen, would thank them for that. That at least you have told us that this scheme is not approved. Let me mention another thing. And this has been done by a party which has been in power for 10 years. Suddenly this thought has come now. Why didn't this thought come during the last 10 years? It should have come. They should have had enough time to implement those schemes, approve those schemes. How is it that suddenly 10 years later an idea has dawned? And then you now say that since elections are very close, we are making a registration, but we'll give you the money
Mr.
after
Sehgal,
the elections.
That argument can be made for every state. That argument can be made for Maharashtra. That argument can be made for Madhya Pradesh. That argument can be made for Chhattisgarh. It can be made for Jharkhand as well. कि आप क्यों जागे लाडकी बहन योजना के साथ 6 महीने पहले? Before the elections in Maharashtra. That argument can be made for every party. But Siddharth Sharma, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Umesh Sehgal, who is an independent citizen, good to have Mr. Sharma smiling, who is an independent citizen with no political leanings, is saying the Babus have done the bold thing. They are not issuing a notice against the government of Delhi. They are issuing a notice against a party's proposed scheme. And mostly, you know, Babus are afraid of the political class and therefore will not take such bold decisions. So if these Babus, joint director level officers have actually taken out these notices against the Aam Aadmi Party scheme, we should thank them.
Absolutely. Shreya, what happens is that usually in Hindi films, the police or the law enforcement agencies come after the crime has happened. For the first time in India, there's a clairvoyant kind of a Babu who has issued, who says that the BJP's Pravesh Verma, who is spreading these cash doles at his residence, people should be aware of it. And I think for his clairvoyance, that he put out this advertisement before Mr. Pravesh Verma spread the cash in itself is very commendable. Now, on the other hand, if that advertisement names Mahila Samman Yojana, then there is a huge question mark, because the Mahila Samman Yojana, I think your cameraman can pan into my highlighted versions. The Mahila Samman Yojana is a notified scheme by the government of Delhi. Now, if that advertisement has that name, obviously that policeman or whoever Babu is going to face the music. So let me just for a change, become a harbinger of breaking news for you, for the Mirror Now news channel. In the last 2 days, more than 15 lakh women and elderly of Delhi have enrolled in the Mahila Samman Yojana. I think you have noted that down. Exactly why BJP has entered into panic mode and is disoriented now. An interesting insight I'll give you. All the demons in Indian mythology were women oppressors. Be it Mahishasura or Kansa, be it Duryodhana or Ravana. Each Asura troubled Durga, Devaki, Draupadi or Sita for no reason. Everyone saw what happened to these demons. Now, just a few months ago, the country also saw anti-women wrestler BJP ending up on two crutches from its famed 400 par. Despite all these historical warnings, BJP today is conspiring to stop the free bus rides of women of Delhi by jailing Delhi's women chief minister Atishi
Acha,
under
theek
a false case. To top it, fake advertisements are being published in newspapers against Mahila Samman Yojana, which stand duly approved and gazetted and notified by the cabinet. Now, do we realize that average Indians are goddess worshippers? Is BJP not inviting the wrath of crores of women, Delhi women, if BJP goes against women?
Arey,
BJP
but
in
now,
fact should answer
Sharma
how
ji,
did BJP...
Sharma ji,
Yeah.
abhi to women have just blessed them in Maharashtra. So they do not fear the wrath of women. And the point is, Mr. Sharma, कि आप ये महिला सम्मान योजना की तो बात कर रहे हैं as a notified scheme of the government of Delhi. I agree with you. वो 1000 रुपए दे रहे थे, आज तक वो 1000 रुपए आए नहीं है किसी भी महिला की जेब में. अब आप कह रहे हैं अच्छा चलो इलेक्शन खत्म होने दो 2100 दे दें. वो भी तो आप देखिए ना, अपने अंदर भी तो झांक के देखिए. Anyhow, Pradeep Mahor, just come in here. Essentially, what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying that these are BJP babus dissing a scheme that is becoming very popular amongst the voters. You are rattled, so you're using the LG's babus and the BJP's babus to attack the Aam Aadmi Party. Essentially, they have become election agents for the BJP.
First of all, nobody is rattled and nobody is terrified of these tricks of Aam Aadmi Party. And the way they are trying to fool the people of Delhi, they have issued a card. Card does not have any kind of a magnetic strip. It does not have any QR code. It has a unique number, and that unique number should have been registered with WCD. If they actually wanted to distribute any kind of a scheme or any kind of a card, which was supposed to be functional later on also, they could have gone to their assembly, passed a bill, right? After passing that bill, they could have issued the card through WCD. And those cards could have been given. What they have done is they have created a mockery card. I'll call it a mockery card, and started fooling the people of Delhi by giving them, some kind of a plastic card and saying that this is a scheme, that this card will be in cash later on after the elections if you are going to give us a vote. This is complete mockery of our electoral system itself. What they're doing? They are actually cheaters. I'll tell you. What they did was, in Punjab, they said, they are going to give 1,000 rupees to every woman who is more than 18 years old. Have they given any single penny to any women? Where is that 1,000 rupees? Ask this person who is sitting on behalf of Aam Aadmi Party. Hey, what the hell is he saying? Talking about, Mahishasura and all that, digressing all the topics. They should be accountable of what they are saying. Second, they said that they are going to make corruption-free Delhi. 8 ministers, 15 MLAs are jailed. This is corruption-free, full of corruption. They have, created a swimming pool of corruption, rather. No. As far as the swimming pool is concerned, they also committed that they are going to convert Delhi into city of lakes. Where are those lakes? Clean Delhi. Where is that clean Delhi? People of Delhi are wondering how to breathe. And
वो बीजेपी की लिस्ट मैंने भी पढ़ी है जो सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. अब सुनिए.
Where are their commitments?
Because you're talking about corruption.
Moral of the story is.
You're talking about corruption.
Moral of the story is.
अब सुनिए,
these people are frauds.
You're talking about corruption. You're talking about the Aam Aadmi Party misleading the people of Delhi. Mahor साहब सुनिए. अब what do we do with Paresh Verma? आज तो he has landed you in a hot Christmas soup. He is your potential chief ministerial face. Today, he's been doing this for 11 days, but today he is caught on camera. Not caught on camera actually, but there's enough to show us that he's been distributing 1,100 rupees to women who come to him. So here he has launched his own unofficial Ladki Behan Yojana, distributing cash.
Look.
Which the Aam Aadmi Party is calling cash for votes.
I'll tell you how it happened. Wait a minute. I'll just tell you how it happened. No.
अरे सब कुछ तो सामने है. Even he is not denied it. He's saying no one can stop me. I'm doing this because my father started an organization. मैं तो ऐसे ही पैसे बांटता हूँ सबको. Even he is not denied it.
Listen. Even I'm not saying that. Look, somebody comes to your house, some women comes to your house, right? Says that they are devoid of money, and you give them some donation. You can definitely give them. There's no issue in that. He is not saying that you give your Aadhaar card. We are giving that scheme, something like that.
कितना पैसा होता है?
Elections are not declared.
नहीं, कितना पैसा होता है नेताओं के पास? That every woman who knocks at their door, you give them 1100 रुपया.
One or two women entered his house. They wanted some donation. He gave them some cash donation. He has complete accounting of whatever he has given. So what is wrong in that? This is not a big deal. This is not a big issue.
सिद्धार्थ जी, come in here. गलत क्या किया परवेश वर्मा ने?
It's a camera vibe that has been created.
प्रवेश वर्मा जी ने कुछ गलत नहीं किया. प्रवेश वर्मा जी ने कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया.
अरे हाँ.
You people are doing wrong.
प्रवेश, मैं पूरी तरह से भाजपा के प्रवक्ता का समर्थन करता हूँ.
Mr. Mahar, let's listen to the other side.
नहीं, भाजपा के प्रवक्ता का मैं पूरा समर्थन
Mr.
करता
Mahar,
हूँ.
let's listen to the other side.
अरे मैं भाजपा के प्रवक्ता का पूरा समर्थन कर रहा हूँ.
अरे रुक जाइए आप दोनों प्लीज. In the spirit of Christmas, Mr. Mahar, let the Aam Aadmi Party speak. चलिए.
मैं भाजपा के प्रवक्ता का पूरा समर्थन करता हूँ. कहा जाता है कि देयर इज अ क्रिसमस ट्री. आज क्या हो गया ना कि मिस्टर प्रवेश वर्मा क्रिसमस ट्री के बदले चने के झाड़ पे खुद भाजपा को सब चढ़ा दिए हैं. चने के झाड़ पे भाजपा को प्रवेश वर्मा जी चढ़ा दिए हैं.
Mr. Mahar, you promised to keep quiet.
तो बेसिकली ऑन क्रिसमस डे, instead of a Christmas tree, Pravesh Verma has ensured that BJP को उन्होंने चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ा दिया. That's okay. When the BJP says that certain cards have to be issued with magnetic and this and that, the question is, this Mr. Pravesh Verma, the card that he is spreading around Delhi, where does it have a magnetic card? It does have the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's photo. It does have Mr. Pravesh Verma's name. It does have a voter's ID. It does have a voter's photo. It does have all the details except for all the facts. So basically BJP spokesperson is saying that just like BJP said that हर आदमी के अकाउंट में 15 लाख आएगा, लेकिन उसका कोई गारंटी नहीं है. हम कार्ड नहीं देंगे. चुनाव के बाद उसको बोल देंगे कि जुमला था. अरे भैया भाजपा वालों, आम आदमी पार्टी लोगों को जुमला नहीं देती है. बीजेपी should answer this. How did BJP allow Delhi to become a crime capital despite having 7 MPs?
अच्छा ठीक है.
In the last 10 years, will BJP deposit 15 lakh rupees in every account in the next 5 years?
Gentlemen,
and who will be the chief minister face of Delhi?
Okay,
आप spokesperson, I can speak on 15 lakh rupees.
Okay.
Don't digress the topic. Tell me
Sir, चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ा दिया आपको. Sir,
where is the magnetic strip? Where
परवेश
is the
वर्मा जी
QR
ने
code?
आपको चने के झाड़
Why
पे
are you
चढ़ा
fooling the
दिया
people
है.
up?
Gentlemen.
Where is the city of lakes? Where is the city of lakes?
Gentlemen, this is not serving anyone. This is not, gentlemen, please behave like gentlemen. Siddharth Sharma ji.
Where is Queen Yamuna? Tell me.
Okay. Pradeep Mahar ji, that is another discussion. That is another discussion. I am going to get Hari Shankar Gupta ji just to calm both of you down so that you can get a glass of water or a glass of whiskey, whatever you prefer, and maybe calm down a bit. And Hari Shankar Gupta ji, who has been listening to you very quietly, चलिए जो बीरू अफ़ज़ा पीजिए, पानी पीजिए, विस्की पीजिए, जो पीजिए. स्वतंत्र देश है, सबको जो मन आता है करने की आजादी है. हरिशंकर गुप्ता जी बताइए, where do you stand on the two scandals, so as to speak, that have erupted in Delhi? Do you think it was right for a Delhi government babu to diss and disown a scheme of their own government?
श्रेया जी देखिए, सहगल साहब ने जो बात कही है, मैं 100% उससे वर्ड बाय वर्ड एग्री करता हूं. सहगल साहब दिल्ली के बहुत जिम्मेदार ऑफिसर रहे हैं. और शीला जी के कार्यकाल में भी इन्होंने बहुत बड़ी भूमिका निभाई है. 15 साल कांग्रेस का शासन यहाँ पर रहा. दिल्ली वालों को हर तरह की सुविधा मुहैया कराई, एक जिम्मेदारा ढंग से, एक जिम्मेदारी के तकाजे से पूरी सुविधाएं कराई. बिजली 24 घंटा की दी, पानी साफ दिया, अच्छी सड़कें दी, बढ़िया हॉस्पिटल बना के दिए, हर तरह की सुविधा दी. क्योंकि एक जिम्मेदार सरकार को जिस ढंग से करना चाहिए उस ढंग से किया. लेकिन आज जो ये दोनों पार्टियां कर रही हैं, ये क्या तमाशा है डेमोक्रेसी का? इलेक्शन कमीशन का तमाशा है. दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है, दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है और पूरा संसार इसको देखता है. क्या ये जो जिस तरीके से बिहेव कर रहे हैं, वोट के चक्कर में, मतों को चक्कर में, गरीब लोगों के भावनाओं से, सेंटिमेंट्स के साथ ये लोग खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं, तमाशा बनाया है। कांग्रेस पार्टी इस प्रकार की गिमिक में विश्वास नहीं करती। हम जिम्मेदार लोग हैं। 15 साल सहगल साहब बताएंगे, और आप बताइए 15 साल में दिल्ली के जीवन स्तर को, दिल्ली के विकास को कहां से कहां तक पहुंचाया। और आज भी हम मानते हैं इस बात को, कांग्रेस की सरकार बनेगी, यही जीवन स्तर जो 15 साल दिल्ली में हमने लोगों को दिया है उसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे। लाडली स्कीम योजना, दिल्ली की RWS को एम्पायर किया, भागीदारी बनाकर, ये एक तरीका काम करने का होता है। ये क्या तरीका हुआ कि चुनाव के नजदीक आते ही 21 रुपए दूंगा। अरे भाई, पेंशन नहीं मिली लोगों को, 35 लाख लोगों के राशन कार्ड नहीं बने, उसमें आपको जगह नहीं। आज 4-4 लाख रुपए के बिल एक गरीब आदमी के पानी के आ रहे हैं, जिसके ऊपर केजरीवाल का जवाब ये है कि मेरी सरकार आएगी, आप पैसा मत जमा कराइए। कितनी गैर जिम्मेदाराना बात है। पैसा मत जमा कराइए, मैं आने के बाद माफ कर दूंगा। पिछले दरवाजे से बिजली के बिलों की लूट मचाकर रखी है इन्होंने। हम नहीं करते ये बात, हमें पसंद नहीं है। कांग्रेस पार्टी जिम्मेदार पार्टी है, इस ढंग की ओछी हरकतें हम नहीं करते हैं। प्रवेश वर्मा ने इतनी बेशर्मी से कह दिया टेलीविजन में बैठकर, ये मेरा अपना पैसा मैं बांट रहा हूं। इलेक्शन कमीशन संज्ञान ले, ठीक है, नोटिफिकेशन नहीं हुआ इलेक्शन का, लेकिन इलेक्शन कमीशन इस बात का संज्ञान ले कि चुनाव के दिनों में एक आदमी जो इलेक्शन लड़ रहा है, जिसने अनाउंस किया मैं इलेक्शन लड़ूंगा, बीजेपी का मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, वो 1-1 हजार रुपए लोगों को बांट रहा है। ये वोट के लिए नहीं बांट रहा है तो क्या लोगों की मदद करने के लिए बांट रहा है? आज से पहले कहां चला गया था? तो श्रेया जी, मैं साफ कहना चाहता हूं, आज हमने श्वेत पत्र जारी किया है, उसमें मौका बार बार धोखा। अजय माकन जी ने, देवेंद्र यादव जी ने बैठकर दिल्ली की जनता को जगाया है, चेताया है कि धोखे में मत आओ। 10 साल जो बर्बाद दिल्ली के हुए हैं, दिल्ली 50 साल पीछे चली गई। अगर ये इनकी बातों में आएंगे तो दोबारा से लोगों को धोखा होगा। और लोग,
शर्मा जी, ठीक है, ठीक। अब मैं जरा लास्ट, मेरे पास 20 सेकंड है शर्मा जी, 20 सेकंड से ज्यादा मत लीजिएगा। आपके पहले चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, अब तो नहीं, अरविंद केजरीवाल तो खुद कह रहे हैं कोई बात नहीं, 1100 रुपए परवेश वर्मा दे रहा है, ले लो, वोट मत करना उसके लिए, वोट हमारे लिए करना। तो उनको दिक्कत नहीं है तो पार्टी को क्यों दिक्कत हो रही है, मुझे ये बताइए। और इतनी दिक्कत है तो इलेक्शन कमीशन चले जाइए, वो तो आप गए नहीं है, या पुलिस के पास चले जाइए, या ED CBI को लिख दीजिए, वो सब आपने कुछ नहीं किया।
श्रेया जी, इसीलिए मैंने आपके कार्यक्रम में, जब वो भाजपा वाले कह रहे थे, मैंने स्पष्ट बोल दिया कि मैं इस चीज का पूरा समर्थन करता हूं। जो प्रवेश वर्मा जी कर रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, वो लोगों को पैसे बांट रहे हैं। मैं बस उनका ये सवाल पूछ रहा था कि जब प्रवेश वर्मा जी पैसे बांट सकते हैं तो एक पार्टी चुनाव से पहले ये क्यों नहीं बोल सकती कि हम चुनाव जीतने के बाद 2100 रुपए देंगे। प्रवेश वर्मा जी तो चुनाव होने से पहले ही 1000 रुपए, 1100 रुपए कवर में डाल के बांट रहे हैं, लोगों से डाटा भी ले रहे हैं। तो हमारा ये कहना है कि भाजपा कैनॉट से that what is good for the goose cannot be good for the gander. BJP cannot hunt with the hare and run with the hound at the same time. दोनों करेगी ना तो रामायण में एक चरित्र है कालनेमी करके, कालनेमी जैसा बहुरूपिया कहलाएगी। तो भाजपा को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, राम का नाम लेते हैं, कहीं कालनेमी ना अपने आप को बना ले।
अच्छा, चलिए, we'll end it there for the moment. Siddharth Sharma ji, thank you very much for joining us. Pradeep Mahor, thank you very much. Hari Shankar Gupta ji, thank you. And Umesh Sehgal ji, thank you very much for joining us. This was a spirited, fun Christmas debate, but we'll have to wrap it there. Thanks very much for watching.
Co-powered by